If you're looking for a reliable and versatile collapsible wagon, the Feelnais Folding Wagon Cart is a fantastic choice. With a 135L capacity, this portable utility wagon is designed to make your life easier whether you're heading to the grocery store, camping, the beach, or just tackling yard work. One of the best things about this wagon is how easy it is to set up. It unfolds in seconds with no tools required. When you're done, it folds down compactly for easy storage in your car trunk or garage. Despite its lightweight design, it's built to handle a variety of terrains with its sturdy wheels. Whether you're rolling over sand, gravel, grass, or pavement, the all-terrain wheels make transportation smooth and hassle-free. The handle is another highlight. It's adjustable, making it comfortable to pull no matter your height. The frame is made of high-quality steel, ensuring durability, while the fabric is strong and resistant to wear and tear. This means you can load it up with groceries, sports gear, or camping supplies without worrying about damage. With a 33% discount currently available, this is a great time to grab one at a lower price. A collapsible wagon like this is a game-changer for anyone who needs to transport heavy or bulky items regularly. Whether you're planning a fun day at the beach or need a convenient way to carry groceries, this wagon has you covered. If you want to get one for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the description below before the deal ends.